If A, B, C are angles in a triangle, then prove that. The first question is sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C is equal to 4 sine A into sine B into sine C. Okay, here the information he has given that A, B, C are the angles in a triangle. We know that the sum of the angles, in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And from this one we can write it is as some A plus B is equal to pi minus C. A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Now if we apply sine for this one, we can write sine of A plus B is equal to, we can write as sine of pi minus C, whereas sine of pi minus C is equal to sine C only. Okay, and similarly we can write B plus C is equal to pi minus A, and we can write as angle C plus angle A is equal to pi minus B. Now coming to the question, here the question is given that sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C. Okay, so from the trigonometric transformation problems, now here we can apply sine C plus sine D formula over here. Sine C plus sine D. We know that the sine C plus sine D, the formula for sine C plus sine D is equals to 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, into cos C minus D by 2. Now by applying over here, we will get as sine 2A plus sine 2B. Here C is equals to 2A and D is equals to 2B. By applying sine C plus sine D, we can write over here it is as 2 sine C plus D means 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos C minus D, that means 2A minus 2B by 2, and we have the formula that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay, now apply over here. Sine 2C can be written as 2 sine C into cos C. Okay, we can write it as 2 sine C into cos C. Now if we simplify over here, what we'll get, this can be written as sine of, and here we take 2 as a common, then we can write it as sine of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus 2 sine C into cos C. Okay, 2 sine C into cos C. In the next step, we can write it is as sine of A plus B. Just we have did over here. Sine of A plus B can be written as sine C. Now we can write as sine of A plus B as sine C into cos of A minus B plus 2 into sine C into cos C. Now by taking 2 sine C as a common over here, if we take 2 sine C as a common, we can write this is as cos of A minus B plus cos C. Cos C. So from the relation A plus B plus C is equal to pi 180 degrees, we can write angle C equal to pi minus of A plus B. So now if we apply cos over here, now we can write over here it is as 2 times of sine C into cos of A minus B plus and cos of, we can write angle C as pi minus of A plus B. Pi minus of A plus B. Now over here we can write as 2 sin C into cos of A minus B, and cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. Then we can write it as minus of cos of A plus B. And we have the formula over here. It is as 2 sin C into, now this is 2 sin A into sin B, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. The formula is 2 sin A sin B. Finally we are obtaining this is as 2 into 2 4. Okay, finally we are obtaining this is as, I am writing over here, this is 2 into 2 as 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay, sin A into sin B into sin C. So we have proved that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 times of sin A into sin B into sin C. Next question is sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C, and we can rewrite this as sin 2A plus sin 2C minus sin 2B. And now we can use the formula as sin C plus sin D, which is nothing but 2 sin C plus D, 2A plus 2C by 2 into cos of 2A minus 2C by 2, and we can write it as sin 2B as sin 2 theta, the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Now we can write this as 2 sin B cos B, 2 sin B cos B. Now we can write this is as 2 sin of A plus C into cos of A minus C minus 2 sin B into cos B. So now 2 sin of A plus C can be written as, A plus C can be written as, what is, pi minus B 180 minus C into cos of A minus C minus 2 sin B cos B, minus 2 sin B cos B. And we can write this is as sin of pi minus theta is sin theta only, 2 sin B into cos of A minus C minus 2 sin B into cos B. Now we can take 2 sin B as common over here. 2 sin B times of, we can write this is as cos of A minus C minus cos B. Okay, from the information A plus B plus C equals to pi, and we can write angle B is equals to pi minus of A plus C. Now if we apply cos over here, cos of pi minus theta minus cos theta, then minus of cos of A plus C. Now we can write cos of A minus C. Just I am simplifying the step over here, writing again it is as, I can write cos B as cos of 180 minus of A plus C, 180 minus of A plus C. Then we can simplify this 2 sin B times of cos of A minus C minus into minus, which is nothing but, so which is equals to plus cos of A plus, now it is minus of A plus C plus cos of A plus C. And we know the formula that cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, the formula is 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B. And we can rewrite this as 4 times of cos A into sin B into, okay, over here it is C. Okay, it is C, cos C into cos C. The resultant is 4 times of cos A into sin B into cos C. Sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C. And the next question is sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. And we can use as the formula is what is sin C plus sin D for these two terms. Then we can write this is as 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2 minus 2 sin C into cos C. Okay, we know that the formulas over here sin C plus sin D and sin 2 theta. By applying here, we can simplify in this manner, and we can further simplify this is as sin of A plus B into cos of A minus B minus 2 sin C into cos C. Now we can write over here as A plus B is equal to pi minus C, and if we apply the sin of A plus B is equal to sin of 180 minus theta, which is nothing but sin theta only, which is sin C. Now replace over here 2 sin of A plus B as sin C into cos of A minus B minus 2 sin C into cos C. By taking 2 sin C as a common, we can write this one as cos of A minus B minus cos C, and we can write angle C is equal to pi minus of A plus B. And if we apply the cos, okay, if we apply the cosine over here, cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but, it is in the second quadrant, it is minus cos theta, then minus of cos of A plus B. Now we can write this is as 2 sin C into cos of A minus B. Now minus cos C, okay, minus cos C is nothing but minus into minus, it will become plus as cos of A plus B. And we know the formula that cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, 2 cos A cos B. And finally we can write this is as the solution as 4 times of cos A into cos B into sin C. I hope this information will help you to get the required solutions.